I gave the cows 6 bales of hay this morning. Fed the pigs extra, filled up the pigs' water, filled up the cows' water. We decided to go to the beach about an hour ago, and we're leaving now.
This is so big! Look at all those boats! Wow, so many ranch on I've ever been on.
We've done this a couple times in our lives as a family, which is just say, hey guys, we need a break, and we're gonna take it now. I've worked a full week's hours as a nurse, like full-time hours, in the past 4 days. We're basically taking a 24-hour trip to the beach, and we're really excited. I'm always nervous when I leave the animals here, but they're set up, they're safe, just impromptu, out of the blue. So that's that, we're doing it. Makes me feel young again, kind of. What do you think? You glad we came down here?
It's as awesome as I remember it. Of course I am.
We literally decided this morning at about 10 o'clock we were coming.
Yep.
And we're here now for sunset.
There's still a few things in us that are young. And boys, if you find ones with holes, I'll make you necklaces.
Look!
Ooh.
Look! Look!
All Grace wanted to do was find shells. Like, that's all she's talked about for over a year. I want to go to the beach and find shells, and there's awesome shells right here. Not all beaches have good shells.
This looks like a feather.
Looks like a feather?
Yeah, it's just bumpy.
Get down?
Yeah.
You want to get down?
Yeah.
There you go. What do you think?
And,
what do you think? Go, 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 go! Whoa!
That's a nice show. Hey, look at this one.
What do you think? You know, justice and joyful remembering actually being at the beach. And then Ryan was a baby, but we had that on film. We had it on vlog. Like their first time seeing it. What do you think?
Can I go hip near to the water?
Gloriously wet, gloriously sandy and salty.
Did you fall in the water?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. Throw it. Nice job. We came out this morning. At first I said, don't get in the water. I was like, don't even get close to it. We're gonna swim later. We should have known though that we're at the beach. We're never at the beach. It's been 2 years, 3 years? It's been 3 years since we've been at the beach, so of course they're gonna end up in the water.
It's really our fault for not just putting them in their bathing suits.
And the pier's open, guys, so we can go out there later.
I think we should get them warmed up and dry, grab some breakfast from that grocery store and go out on the pier.
Let's do it.
You just use that to put his shells in.
Oh, look at this side, Jeff. Look at this whole thing. Whoa.
Can you see it press it or come out? What'd you get? Let me see.
I want to jump off the dog.
It's been a nice morning. We're out here on the pier and it's beautiful. The sun finally came out. We're just loving being here. We're not gonna be here long though. We're basically gonna go swimming in the pool, go swimming in the ocean back to back, and then probably pack up and get ready to head out. But it's been a beautiful morning. We got breakfast at a cool little store.
So, fall, what time is it, Daddy?
Pack our stuff and load the car.
Why?
And then turn in our key.
What do you think about coming out here like this? All impromptu and unplanned.
I think it keeps us young. This kind of stuff I did all the time.
It's been fun for you?
Yeah, mostly. There's stress whether we're here or at home, so it's just life. Yeah, this has been way fun. Super fun. I don't want to leave, but we have to. Come on, Joy.
We made it home late at night. We carried the kids and tucked them into their beds asleep. For us, it was a throwback to younger times. To them, it probably just seemed like a sweet dream.